At the bottom of our planet lies the frigid land of Antarctica, the coldest and most inhospitable continent in the world. Stretching over 5 million square miles, Antarctica is covered by ice sheets that reach more than a mile deep. The average daily temperature is minus 49 degrees Fahrenheit, and wind speeds can exceed 100 miles per hour. Today, the only inhabitants of this barren landscape are scientists who work in research stations scattered across the continent. Mainstream geologists have long believed that ancient humans never settled in Antarctica because of its hostile climate. But incredibly, in 2016, satellite images revealed a curious formation emerging from the ice, one that some researchers believe could be a man-made pyramid. Recently, there have been several reports of enormous pyramid-like structures in Antarctica. They rise out of the snow and ice, appearing almost perfectly geometric, similar to those in Egypt, yet they dwarf them in size. One of these formations has a square base measuring 2 kilometers on each side. Is it possible, then, that our ancestors actually reached the Antarctic continent and perhaps even settled there? A man-made pyramid beneath the Antarctic ice would raise some profound questions. How could such a massive structure have been built in Antarctica? When was it made, and by whom? Geologists have long claimed that Antarctica has been covered in ice for millions of years. However, some evidence suggests that parts of the continent may have been ice-free until around 4000 BC. There are also many ancient Polynesian stories about cultural heroes who traveled to a mysterious southern land. A French academic named Error compiled these legends in a book titled Out of Antarctica. The Polynesian tales describe a strange land filled with white rocks rising from the water, clearly icebergs, and animals such as seals and penguins. These accounts seem to describe the very place we now know as Antarctica. The Polynesian people believed this was the land of their ancestors, the place from which they originally came. Why would they believe this if it weren't true? Could the coldest place on Earth once have been warm enough for humans to live? In 2017, German geologists collected core samples from deep within the Antarctic seafloor to analyze what the continent's climate might have been like thousands of years ago. What they discovered was astonishing. Using a specialized deep-sea drilling rig, never before used in Antarctica, scientists extracted sediment that contained over 60 types of plant remains, vegetation similar to that found in modern rainforests and climates resembling northern Italy today. Finding that kind of evidence on the Antarctic continent was truly remarkable, because today's climate there cannot support any vegetation. Based on their discoveries, scientists believe that Antarctica's past environment and the secrets still buried beneath its ice may reveal extraordinary insights about the history of our planet.